Tonight, dozens of people made a lot of noise in front of San Diego's Juvenile Hall after the family of a teenage girl filed a lawsuit against the county for her death while she was in custody. 10 News reporter Emily Valdez is live at Juvenile Hall. Emily, what are the protesters and the girl's family asking for?
Well, the background is they believe that the mental health care here at the Juvenile Hall for the girls is inadequate, and they say that contributed to the suicide hanging death of a 15-year-old girl behind these walls. It's a lawsuit, so they want money, but they also want change. Protesters banged pots and pans together in front of San Diego's Juvenile Hall Tuesday night. They want their message heard. Some held signs that read "Justice for Rosemary."
She was actually a very happy person, very lovable. Everybody loved her. She wasn't a bad person.
15-year-old Rosemary Summers was in Juvenile Hall for a series of misdemeanor crimes. Rosemary had a long history of depression and suicidal thoughts. She hanged herself inside the facility in September of last year.
She wrote a note that said that, and this was found in her personal effects when she died, when a kid asked to speak to a counselor, they should be allowed to do so.
Her family is suing the county, alleging Rosemary did not get adequate mental health care and supervision inside Juvenile Hall. They want not just money, but change.
Of course, more counseling to help the kids out and talk to them and stuff like that.
It's not like they didn't know. They didn't misdiagnose. They just didn't treat her. All they did was give her these different drugs, one of which, Abilify, has been linked to suicidal ideation in teenagers.
10 News reached out to the San Diego County Probation Office, which runs Juvenile Hall. A county spokeswoman sent us a statement which reads, in part, in partnership with the county's mental health experts, all youth booked into custody undergo a screening process to assess their emotional stability, and probation staff is trained to work closely with these youth to address their immediate and ongoing emotional and mental health needs and provide intervention as needed. In Kearney Mesa, Emily Valdez, 10 News.
And those protesters weren't only there for Rosemary. They also said that suicide attempts at Juvenile Hall are soaring. We checked with the county in 2012. There were 10 attempts. In 2013, there were 24. Now, the county hasn't gotten back to us yet with 2014's numbers.
Tonight.